This is a drum repair video. This drum had somehow gotten its leg busted off in such a way that it punched a hole clear through right here and gouged out. Made a big gouge there, made a big gouge here, and it just had a hole there. So something very traumatic had happened to this. So I filled the hole, actually I patched it on this side with 3 thin strips of rosewood. And then I helped anchor it with a dowel there. I don't know why I did that. I was just being fancy. And then I filled it from the other side with epoxy and put these thin pine strips on here that actually these are cut off of the edge of a 2x4, believe it or not. I wanted pine. And it was just for decoration. It wasn't any sort of real serious functional strength purpose. But here it goes. And these are drumsticks that I made a long time ago for my wife out of rosewood. Aren't these cool? And I'm just gonna play this one-handed. I'm gonna try to play it one-handed. I don't play the drums. There you go, that's a drum repair. Took way too long to do. Probably not even worth the cost of the drum, but it's an old drum and it was worth saving. It's a nice drum.